Get, take is kinuha in Filipino. Welcome to another episode of the Learn Tagalog Filipino.com podcast. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga members on Patreon. Thank you to all our members on Patreon. Kinuha, nakuha, kinuha generally implies a direct intentional taking or getting, while nakuha often suggests a more passive or accidental acquisition or of an outcome. Kinuha indicates a deliberate action of taking something. The focus is on the act of taking itself, and the subject is actively involved in the action. Example, kinuha niya ang libro. Kinuha niya ang libro. He or she took the book, implying he or she intentionally took it. Nakuha suggests either an accidental or incidental acquisition or the result of an effort. It can also imply getting something as a consequence or outcome. Example, nakuha niya ang premyo. Nakuha niya ang premyo. He or she got the prize, suggesting that he or she won it. She won the prize, possibly through a competition or lottery, and not necessarily by taking it or by grabbing it. Another example, nakakuha ako ng magandang resulta. Nakakuha ako ng magandang resulta. I got a good result, implying I achieved it through effort or it came about as a consequence. Kinuha is active and intentional, while nakuha is more passive and it can imply accidental or consequential acquisition. Again, kinuha niya ang payong, was taken deliberately. She took the umbrella, kinuha niya ang payong. Kinuha ko ang pera sa mesa. Kinuha ko ang pera sa mesa. I took the money from the table. Kinuha ko ang pera sa mesa. Another example is kinuha nila ang litrato sa dingding. Kinuha nila ang litrato sa dingding. They took the picture from the wall. Kinuha nila ang retrato sa dingding. Again, nakuha, got or obtained, often as a result, by chance possibly, or without directly taking it. Nakuha. Nakuha niya ang pinakamataas na marka. Nakuha niya ang pinakamataas na marka. He or she got the highest score. Nakuha niya ang pinakamataas na marka. Another example is nakuha ko ang tamang sagot. Nakuha ko ang tamang sagot. I got the correct answer. Nakuha ko ang tamang sagot. Next is nakuha namin ang kontrata. Nakuha namin ang kontrata. We got the contract. Nakuha namin ang kontrata. Kinukuha. Taking something deliberately. Kinukuha. Taking something deliberately. Ongoing, intentional action. Kinukuha. Kinukuha niya ang libro sa bag. She's taking the book from the bag. Kinukuha niya ang pera sa bag. She's taking the money from the bag. Kinuha ko. Another example. Kinuha ko ang gamit ko sa sala. Kinuha ko ang gamit ko sa sala. I'm taking my things from the living room. I'm taking my things from the living room. Kinukuha ko ang gamit ko sa sala. Another example for kinukuha. Kinukuha nila ang basura sa bakuran. Kinukuha nila ang basura sa bakuran. They are taking the trash from the yard. Kinukuha nila ang basura sa bakuran. Next is nakukuha. Nakukuha. Ongoing. Nakukuha. This is getting or obtaining. It can also mean can get or is able to get. Nakukuha. Example, I'm getting your idea now. Nakukuha ko na ang ideya mo. Nakukuha ko na ang ideya mo. Another example, nakukuha nila ang kailangan nila sa palengke. Nakukuha nila ang kailangan nila sa palengke. They are getting what they need from the market. Nakukuha nila ang kailangan nila sa palengke. Another example, nakukuha mo ba ang sinasabi ko? Nakukuha mo ba ang sinasabi ko? Are you getting what I'm saying or do you get what I'm saying? Nakukuha mo ba ang sinasabi ko? Another one would be kukunin. Kukunin. This is intentional action in the future. Will take. Kukunin. Example, kukunin ko ang ticket bukas. Kukunin ko ang ticket bukas. I will get the ticket tomorrow. I will get the ticket tomorrow. Kukunin ko ang ticket bukas. Kukunin ko ang ticket bukas. Another example, kukunin nila ang pagkain mamaya. Kukunin nila ang pagkain mamaya. They will take the food later. They will get the food later. Kukunin nila ang pagkain mamaya. Another example for kukunin. Kukunin namin ang mga gamit sa airport. We will pick up the things in the airport. Kukunin namin ang mga gamit sa airport. Kukunin. Another one would be makukuha. Makukuha. A result or an achievement in the future, in the near future. Will get, will obtain, will achieve. Makukuha. Makukuha mo rin ang pangarap mo. Makukuha mo rin ang pangarap mo. You will also achieve your dream. You will achieve your dream. Makukuha mo rin ang pangarap mo. Another example, makukuha nila ang premyo sa katapusan. Makukuha nila ang premyo sa katapusan. They will get the prize at the end of the month. Makukuha nila ang premyo sa katapusan ng buwan. They will get the prize at the end of the month. Makukuha nila ang premyo sa katapusan ng buwan. Next example is makukuha ko ang lisensya ko sa susunod na linggo. Makukuha ko ang lisensya ko sa susunod na linggo. I will get my license next week. Makukuha ko ang lisensya ko sa susunod na linggo. So those are the variations of the word kuha, kinuha, kukunin, and those are the examples. I hope you learned something. We would like to thank our members on Patreon. And if you're not yet a member, you could go to patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. If you're studying Tagalog Filipino on your own, we'd like to invite you to become a member so you could get all the exercises, all the lessons that we have ever published on LearnTagalogFilipino.com. We would like to invite you to become a member. And if you're studying Tagalog Filipino, kayang-kaya mo yan. You can do it.